This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
In this video, I want to introduce you to the power of hashtags for social media marketing, and I'm going to walk you through hashtags for Facebook and Twitter. First, I'm going to show you Twitter, and I'm going to use the example of the SEO hashtag. Twitter decides which tweets to keep up in the hashtags and which tweets to allow to go down, because when you tweet in a popular hashtags using a popular hashtag, for example, if you're not familiar, this is the hashtag. You see what's hash and SEO, and also they have hash fashion. So here we're interested obviously with the hashtag SEO, and what happens is if you generate authority within some hashtag, for example, your tweet gets a lot of retweets or likes, or that little love symbol right here, that's the like, or sharing, or your Twitter account already has a lot of followers, or you tweet that hashtag often and accumulate really good signals, then Twitter will you give preference to your account and keep it up in the search rankings of this hashtag, because this page that I'm showing you is the search ranking for this hashtag. So as new tweets pile up, they're gonna go down, and you see since I started filming there's been 10 tweets on this. But there are some, and these are the tweets that I actually already let go before I started filming. But you can see some of the hashtags are kept up, like this my Kawula. You can see he's got 94,000 followers, and actually he's a friend of mine. Just coincidentally, I didn't plan it like that, but he's using this hashtag and he's been here for 54 minutes. You can see another one 23 minutes, another one 8 hours, and you can imagine how many people see this over 8 hours. A lot of people might see this, and let's see what's special about this guy. He doesn't have a lot of followers, you see, but he's got a nice image, and with the nice image he was able to generate a lot of retweets. And later I'll show you how to do the retweet thing as well. So you can see there's a lot of ways to get into these hashtags, and the main thing you have to keep in mind is you either have to get a lot of retweets, or you already have to have a lot of followers, so that, well, and actually if you have followers, they will retweet your tweets anyway, so it kind of goes hand in hand. And these hashtags staying up, and these hashtags are a fantastic way to get new people to discover you. Now let me show you the slight difference in what Facebook does. When I did search for just Kindle, I don't know, I just picked a search. Facebook only first Facebook shows me mine and my friends' tweets with this hashtag, and then it starts showing me tweets from really authoritative accounts. But look, I'm filming this in March of 2017, and it's showing me a post from January 21st. That means there are fewer people using hashtags. But once you gain some authority within Facebook, oh boy, they keep you there not for hours, but they keep you there for months. Can you imagine all the new discovery that you can get? And that's the beauty of growing your page to a certain degree of authority. Of course, it's a slow start, but once you gain authority in Twitter, in Facebook, using hashtags in your social media updates is extremely powerful, because this is a really good way to tap into new potential people who don't know about you, who can discover you. And then once they follow you on Twitter especially, you can send them a direct message that also can be automated, and then the direct message can lead them to your site, or even from this post they can end up going to your site. If they click on the update, they can go to your site, and then of course once this large amount of people goes to your site, then you can put a cookie on their browser and show them retargeting ads, or get them to sign up for your email autoresponder, and then they're in your funnel. Then you have a way to reach out to them again and again, and eventually convert them to becoming clients. So this is the real power of hashtags on social media.